Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I filmed the last video. I think it's been probably a month or over a month, but my life has just gotten really busy with school. We've had lots of homework due, and any spare second I get, I feel like I should be doing homework or I just want to relax. So I just haven't been able to film a video in a while. So bear with me, but I am here today filming a liquid eyeliner tutorial, well, just any eyeliner, winged eyeliner tutorial for you guys, and I hope that you find it useful. And I love winged eyeliner. It's probably my favorite way to wear eyeliner. I sometimes just wear, you know, normal, like straight eyeliner on my upper eye line. But yeah, I love my winged eyeliner. I always get questions about how I do it, so I thought I would make a video just dedicated to that. So I hope you guys find it useful, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and did my base makeup, and I put a little bit of eyeshadow on just to define my eyes. Not crazy, so that you guys can see what I'm doing. But I usually do my eyeliner before mascara. You definitely want to do that. And I prefer to do my winged eyeliner with a eyeliner felt tip sort of pencil thing like this. Just looks like this. It's just kind of a marker that you can write with like that, but I also can do my eyeliner with like a gel liner and a brush, or yeah, that's pretty much it. But you don't want to try winged eyeliner typically with an eyeshadow because it can get messy and fall down, and it's hard to get that precise winged angle that you're trying to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and show you what I'm doing. Sorry about my eyes being a little bit watery. The lights are kind of bright, and they always get watery when I do makeup for some reason. But what I'm gonna do is start out with my eyeliner. I just have the Kat Von D ink liner in the shade Trooper. You don't have to get this exact eyeliner by any means. Go ahead and just get whatever one you want to use. There's one by the brand NYX, NYX, that's on the more affordable side, and it's really good. So I think it's called the Epic Ink Liner, so you can definitely try that one out if you want. But what I always like to do first is just start out with drawing my eyeliner, just making a line against my lash line from inner corner to outer corner, and then stopping right there before I start the wing on both eyes, just to make sure that those are both even. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I might fast forward you guys through this part. Okay, so that's about as good as mine are gonna get. I'm a little bit shaky today, so they're not perfect, but that's okay. No one's gonna be able to tell. So to start the winged portion of our eyeliner, what I like to do is just draw a little line from the outer corner of that eyeliner that we just put down, and I like to try and face it towards the edge of the eyebrow so that it gets a good angle that way, and so that they both match, because your eyebrows should be even, so it should create an even wing. Mine are never even, but you can try your best. And so I just go ahead and draw that line. I'm gonna do that really quick. I can't really talk while I do it because it takes a lot of focus, but I'll fast forward so you guys can watch. Okay, so then by the end it should look a little something like this. This one's not good at all, but I think part of that is because my pen is drying out a little bit, so it was kind of doing weird things to me. But what I do then is I go ahead and connect the top part of this line to my eyeliner that's already there, and kind of attach them so that it creates like one sort of connected wing that's a little bit thicker than what this line is. Because if you just leave it like this, you're looking kind of like Cleopatra or something, and it's not as smooth and uniform as I like my wings to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so the wings aren't exactly perfect, they're not uniform, but they're good enough for me. And the way that I can sometimes tell if they're even is I'll tilt my head back like this, and you can see the direction that they're facing, and these are pretty even in my opinion. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara, and then the eyes will be done. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and finished off the look, and it turned out really good. I find that usually when I use like mascara right after, you can't really tell if the wings are even or not because the mascara kind of distracts from that. I know my hair is a little wild. I just showered this morning and it gets really curly and frizzy after I shower. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you tried out this look, and I hope that the eyeliner tutorial was really useful for you all and that it was easy to follow. And yeah, leave me a comment if you tried it out and it worked for you, and any requests for videos you want me to do later on. But I love you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.